Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Music and Tech. Again, this is Kevin. So you see that tower? That tower is where the ball drops during New Year celebrations. And that's the opposite side. So usually on New Year's Day, New Year's Eve, a lot of people will be here to watch that ball drop. And then fireworks will be displayed. You can see a Gap flagship store here, an Old Navy flagship store, another Broadway musical, The Lion King. So you would see a lot of flagship stores. We've been walking around the streets of Manhattan. We saw so many flagship stores as well. So what does it mean to be a flagship store? A flagship store is a retailer's most important location and is often the largest, most popular or busiest store in their chain. So the flagship term comes from the ships at the front of a fleet, which are the largest, newest, and most notable. The term flagship. So you have a Levi's flagship store there. Talking about Levi's, it's my favorite jeans actually. I always buy only 501s since I was young. And you know, the prices of 501s here are really way lower than the prices when you buy it overseas. Sometimes I can buy a Levi's pair, two pairs at $70 US. But for example, in Singapore or some other places, you're buying it around 160, 170 Singapore dollars for a pair. So that's a comparison. You have a Chicago Broadway musical there. And then here, there's the ball drop again. You see the ball 2024. It's over there. Usually there's a lot of street performers in this part of Times Square. That's the stage. And then I think there's a street show now happening. You can see people like in a circle watching. I think tonight there will be more street performers in this place. So behind that stage you will find the M&M store. It's where we're going. Yeah, it's so nice to be back here. Really nice. The last time we were here was in 2019 before the pandemic struck. Yeah, it's really a good feeling. I'll pause my video here. If you like this video, please click like. And then if you want to see my other videos, please do subscribe. Again, thank you so much for watching, guys. May you have a good day. And I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.